Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to opt out of the Regatta in Township. In the past, players could go to additional settings in the game. There was an option called Take Part in Co-op Competitions. You could uncheck that box before the regatta started. But this option has been removed in recent updates. Now, the only method to avoid joining a regatta is different. When a new regatta cycle begins, the game shows a pop-up with your co-op's regatta information. At this moment, do not click the Start button. Simply close the pop-up window. By not pressing Start, you will not be registered as an active participant for that regatta. If you close the window, you can still see the regatta board, but you will not be able to pick tasks. This means you are not participating, and your town will neither earn nor lose points during the race. If you change your mind, you can return to the regatta board and press Start to join while the event is active. That is how you opt out of the regatta in Township. Thanks for watching.